And this is my Jeep, a quick update. This got all my differential parts in, bearings, ring and pinion gear, the loaded carrier. It's a Yukon. It even came with a gasket for the cover. It's all new. Now I'm going to have to check. I see everything. There's the new pinion nut. And it's got new bolts. All the, the carrier washers, the seal for the pinion. But one thing I got a question on, was it supposed to have a crush washer? So that's one thing I'm gonna have to look into, because I see the bolts. It has new bolts for the cover, all the washers, the pinion shaft nut, loaded carrier, pinion shaft, and ring gear. But I do not see a crush washer. I'm not even sure what a crush washer looks like. But anyway, I'm gonna check on that at my Jeep out. And good morning. This is my Jeep update. If you've been watching any of the other videos for my small group of viewers, I've already got the carrier out and the sides out. I still got to get this pinion shaft out, and I'm getting ready to drop my drive shaft, get it out of the way.
Drop it on your head there,
Yoke,
Billy Bob.
pinion nut and yoke off, and then go from there. And anyway, I'll update you when I get it started. My Jeep out. Okay, I'm working on these bolts. I already got these loose, and I've got the transmission in neutral where I can turn this. I may have to put it back in park though, because these things are on tight. Okay, I got it back in park. I've got these loose already. So we'll go ahead and take these out. These brackets. Hold drive shaft in. This drive shaft don't even have 50 miles on it, maybe 25, 30 or so, if that. I'll be back with you shortly. Okay, I've already got the bracket, the two top bolts and bracket off. I just got to pull these up. This last one right here. These are 8mm, and this I think it's a 1/4 inch. No, yeah, 1/4 inch ratchet. And 8mm socket will work fine. Okay, that's off now. What I got to be careful of is not letting these caps come off and the pins fall out. I got some tape here. Now I don't know if this angle, because I've got this thing jacked up quite a bit, I may have to let it down, because this had a pretty good angle, and it may not come out like this. Anyway, I'll get back to you shortly. Yeah, I didn't have to do anything except use a little bit of force with a pry bar, and it popped right on out. And now these caps here, before I get this drive shaft out of the way, I probably don't have to. Probably just move it off to one side. Yeah, I'm gonna tape these caps up, and then I'm gonna bungee cord it up here to keep it out of the way. That's all I need to do there. And when I get that done, Okay, I got them taped up. I don't know if that'll show up in the camera, but I do have them taped. Hopefully that'll hold them. Now I'm gonna go I'm gonna find me a bungee cord. I'm gonna get it up out of the way. Okay, I've got the drive shaft bungee corded up out of the way, right in there. Can you see it? I don't know if you can. I don't know if I'm getting the right camera angle, but I ended up putting it on this side.
Hell, why did you just weld it?
Let's see if I get my finger in there. Anyway, to the up there to the exhaust pipe. Anyway, it's up out of the way, and I'll get back with you when I start working on this this right here. And I believe this nut, what I've seen, I believe it's this yoke nut or pinion nut is 1 1/8 inch, and I've got my impact ready, and I've got 1 1/8 inch socket. I'll get back to you when I start. Yeah, something I didn't do is lubricate this pinion nut. Should have done that yesterday. I just shot it with WD-40. I'm out of buster. Hit it with that, and I'm gonna take this in time, and I'm gonna take a little break because it is very humid out here in Florida, and I'm sweating pretty good. So I'll take a break. I'm gonna let that set for a while, and then I'm gonna come back. I thought I was gonna have to borrow a socket from somebody, but I thought it was 1 1/16 inch.
Well, what size is it, Billy Bob? How many sizes you gonna try?
It was bigger. The 16 is too small. So I tried to find 1 1/8 inch, but I couldn't find one, and I found 1 1/4 inch. And 1 1/4 inch seemed to be just fine. So I'm lucky I got a socket right there. That's 1 1/4 inch.
That's not right, boy.
Good and solid. Anyway, I'm gonna let that set for a while. I'll be back with you shortly. It's my Jeep update. Back up underneath here, trying to
tell
get
us the story.
pinion nut off.
Tell us the hypothesis on all that.
Had to go borrow this right here. It's a 1 1/8. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna come out on the. I think I got it loosened already, but we'll see. I think that's it. We shall see. There it is. The old pinion nut. I got a new one that came with the kit. Okay.
What are you trying to do? Bring yourself again,
Got me in
boy?
the head.
Boy, that looks like good old redneck work there.
Here we go. The old yoke. Okay. Dang it.
Damn, did anybody teach you how to cuss, boy? My grandma can cuss a lot better than that. I think you better start wearing that motorcycle helmet.
Just hope it don't hit me in the head.
Oh,
Anyway,
come on, man. We
out
want to
for
see
now.
you laugh.
It's a My Deep update.
Damn,
Got it out.
You look like you got hit
And
by
it
a
went
Mack
flying.
truck.
I was hitting it with my rubber hammer and it went flying out. I was trying to get this, I'm not sure, this seal out. Having trouble with that, so I just started pounding on the pinion with my rubber hammer and it flew out the back, so got part of it done.
Hey, you Lincoln collectors, make sure you drop in on my son's channel, 78 Stinkin' Lincoln. You'll like it.